How can you turn down the vibration on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. So at first, go to these settings and go to these sounds and haptics. So haptics are technically vibrations, but through the taptic engine of the iPhone. But essentially, you get inside in here and you get to decide at the haptics section. So you can choose always play in a silent mode, or don't play in silent mode, or never play. So you have all of the different combinations for your haptics, which are the vibrations for, alerts and ringtones, whatever. So this is where you decide how exactly you want to have it. Of course, you also can change it for individual other things, like for the text tone or new emails. You also have the haptics section in there. And also there is like system haptics and all of that kind of stuff. So you can set it up right here. However, if you completely want to stop your iPhone from vibrating ever, you can check it out within the accessibility section. And in there, you should be able to find the vibration section, which is part of the touch, right? So again, that's accessibility, touch, and there you should be able to find the vibration in there. And when this is turned off, all of the vibration and haptics will be disabled, including for like alerts or all of the other things which might be going on. This is how you can turn it off and completely take away the vibration feature from the iPhone. So let me know in the comments below if that is the thing that you had in mind, and if you found it on your phone as well. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos sort of like this. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.